Pros and cons of dating a doctor. Heartbreak. What you need to know. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, many people find themselves attracted to individuals who embody qualities such as intelligence, compassion, and ambition. Doctors, with their highly respected profession and challenging career, often seem like the ideal partner. After all, a doctor's job is to save lives, manage stressful situations, and possess a vast knowledge of science and human health. However, while dating a doctor can offer unique benefits, it also comes with its own set of challenges. In this article, we will explore the pros and cons of dating a doctor. Whether you are already in a relationship with a healthcare professional or considering one, it's important to understand what you might expect. Let's dive into the exciting yet sometimes complicated world of dating a doctor. The pros of dating a doctor. 1. Intelligence and passion for learning. Doctors are among the most educated and intelligent people you'll meet. The path to becoming a doctor is long and rigorous, involving years of study and hands-on training. As a result, they develop strong problem-solving skills and an incredible depth of knowledge in medical science. Beyond their career, many doctors are lifelong learners, continually updating themselves with the latest medical research and technological advancements. When you date a doctor, you benefit from their intellectual curiosity and passion for knowledge. Whether it's a stimulating conversation about the latest medical breakthroughs or an in-depth discussion about health and wellness, you will often find your mind engaged and stimulated. If you value education and intellectual growth, dating a doctor might be a rewarding experience. 2. Financial stability. One of the significant advantages of dating a doctor is the financial stability that comes with their profession. Doctors are generally well compensated for their expertise and skills. This financial security can provide a sense of comfort and stability in the relationship. From vacations to homeownership, having a doctor as a partner can open doors to a more secure and prosperous lifestyle. However, it's important to note that financial stability in this context does not equate to unlimited wealth. Doctors often have significant student loan debts and long working hours, which might affect their disposable income. Still, the likelihood of financial hardship in the long term is low, making doctors desirable partners for those who prioritize financial security. 3. Altruism and compassion. A key trait that many doctors share is a genuine desire to help others. This compassion often extends beyond their patients to the people in their personal lives. Doctors are trained to be empathetic, listen actively, and approach problems from a compassionate perspective. If you are dating a doctor, you may notice their caring nature and attentiveness not only in their professional life but also in their relationship with you. Doctors are often problem solvers, and this trait can make them excellent partners. Whether it's helping you navigate through tough situations or providing emotional support, doctors know how to be reliable and caring. Their selfless nature and commitment to service can make them incredibly loving and supportive partners. 4. Strong work ethic and determination. Becoming a doctor requires years of hard work, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment. The demands of medical school, residency, and the job itself often push doctors to develop a remarkable work ethic. They are used to working under pressure, juggling numerous responsibilities, and maintaining a high level of performance even in the face of adversity. This tenacity and determination in their professional lives often translate into their personal relationships. A doctor is likely to approach their relationship with a similar sense of dedication and responsibility. When dating a doctor, you may find that they are committed to making the relationship work and will put in the effort to overcome challenges. 5. Respect and social prestige. Doctors are highly respected members of society. Their role in saving lives, promoting health, and advancing medical knowledge has earned them a great deal of admiration. When you date a doctor, you may find that people treat you with respect due to your partner's profession. This can lead to positive social recognition and a sense of pride. Being in a relationship with a doctor can sometimes mean being part of a prestigious social circle, surrounded by other professionals who value education, success, and service to the community. This can provide valuable networking opportunities, social connections, and a lifestyle of distinction. The cons of dating a doctor. 1. Long and irregular hours. One of the most significant drawbacks of dating a doctor is their demanding schedule. Doctors often work long hours, and their shifts can be irregular, especially for those working in hospitals or emergency rooms. Many doctors are on call, meaning they may have to leave abruptly to attend to a patient or emergency, even during family gatherings or dates. These long hours can take a toll on the relationship. Time together may be scarce, and you might have to navigate feelings of loneliness or frustration when your partner is unavailable. Their work can sometimes feel all-consuming, leading to a lack of quality time spent with you. If you value a lot of time together or consistency in your partner's availability, this might be a challenging aspect of dating a doctor. 2. Emotional exhaustion and burnout. Doctors work in high-stress environments where they are constantly exposed to intense emotions, from saving lives to delivering difficult news. This emotional burden can lead to burnout and mental exhaustion. After a long and draining day at the hospital, a doctor may have little energy left to be emotionally available or engaged in the relationship. You may notice that your doctor partner sometimes comes home mentally or emotionally drained, making it hard for them to be present or proactive in maintaining the relationship. This emotional toll can lead to periods of detachment, requiring a lot of patience and understanding from you. 3. Limited personal time. Due to their demanding schedules, doctors often have very little personal time. Even when they do have time off, it might be spent recovering from the emotional and physical toll of their work. Spontaneous weekend trips or last-minute plans may be difficult to arrange. For someone who values flexibility and freedom in their social life, this can be frustrating. Furthermore, doctors often spend a lot of their personal time continuing their education through conferences, courses, or reading medical journals. Their personal life can feel secondary to their career, which may lead to an imbalance in the relationship. This lack of work-life balance can be hard for some partners to manage. 4. The stress of the job. A doctor's work is inherently stressful. They make life and death decisions, handle complex cases, and face situations that most people can't even imagine. The emotional weight of the job can sometimes spill over into the relationship. When your partner is under a great deal of stress, they may be less communicative, less affectionate, or even more short-tempered. Additionally, doctors often carry a lot of responsibility, which can contribute to anxiety and worry. This stress can manifest in various ways, such as trouble sleeping, irritability, or an inability to unwind. If you're not equipped to handle the intensity of this lifestyle, it could strain your relationship. 5. Limited ability to plan for the future. Due to their unpredictable work schedules and on-call duties, doctors may have a harder time making long-term plans. Whether it's planning a vacation or attending family events, doctors often have to make last-minute adjustments due to their work commitments. This uncertainty can make it difficult to plan for the future, especially if you have specific timelines for events like weddings, children, or moving in together. Conclusion. Dating a doctor can be an incredibly rewarding experience, offering intellectual stimulation, emotional support, financial stability, and respect. Doctors possess admirable qualities such as intelligence, compassion, and a strong work ethic, which can contribute to a fulfilling relationship. However, the demanding nature of their profession, marked by long hours, emotional exhaustion, and limited personal time, can create challenges that are not always easy to navigate. Before entering into a relationship with a doctor, it's essential to consider both the pros and cons. While the positives are significant, the challenges are also real. Patience, flexibility, and understanding are key in making such a relationship work. If you can handle the occasional loneliness, emotional exhaustion, and unpredictability, dating a doctor may prove to be a deeply fulfilling and meaningful experience. Ultimately, a successful relationship with a doctor depends on your ability to support one another, communicate effectively, and adapt to the unique demands of the profession. If you are ready to share your life with a doctor, be prepared for both the joys and challenges that come with it.